Hello guys, welcome back to IT Scholar. Today we will learn to use the count formula. But before we move towards our video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and support by liking and sharing the video. We use the formula with the two methods as usual, the type and mouse method. The count formula is used to count or display the number of cells in a range that contains a number. This is a random data right here, which indicates the products and their sales, which is in numbers. We will use the formula in 3 steps. To understand its uses easily by selecting the sales data first and then select the product and sales data, then we select the whole data table. Let's type the formula over here. Is equal to sign count bracket open C3 semicolon C9 bracket over. As you can see, I have selected the range from the heading, not from the numbers, to identify that how many cells contains numbers. Enter. As you can see here, we selected 7 cells, but only 6 is showing as the answer. Because only 6 cells contain numbers, the 7th contains alphabet. Now, let's head towards the second step. This time, we select the product and sales data in the formula and we'll see what happens. Type is equal to sign count bracket open B3 semicolon C9 bracket over. B3 starts from the heading of the product data and C9 is the end of the sales data. This means we selected from product to sales data. Press enter. The answer is 6. Because you can see in the selected data there are only 6 cells that contains numbers. Others contains alphabets like mangoes, apples and other fruits. Let's go to our final step. We will select the whole data this time. The month, product and sales data. Type is equal to sign count bracket open A3 semicolon C9 bracket over. A3 is the beginning of our data selection, which is the month data. However, the C9 is the ending of our selected data for the formula. A question will arise in your mind that what will happen if the date is written like these two? Let's see by pressing enter. This time the answer changes. It's 8. It's because there is a number with the alphabet. Even if a number is alone or along with any alphabet, the cell will be counted because it contains a number in it, even if it's a single digit number or a date or time. I hope that everything is clear. If there is any query, you may comment down below. And if you understand everything, do hit the like button and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos.